Card cleaning takes several minutes with a regular toothbrush, but this innovative toothbrush gets the job done in just 10 seconds. This result is achieved with the flexible Y-shaped head that self-adjusts to every curve of your mouth. The bristles are designed in a way that they cover your teeth from all sides. The vibration will do the rest. Also, thanks to the large battery, this thing delivers over 3 months of use on one charge. Are you about to have an important meeting with the big boss, but your shirt looks, well, bad? This folding iron clamps onto collars, cuffs, creases, and even sneaky spots between buttons, waging a valiant war against wrinkles. Need to iron larger areas? Open it up, and voila, it's a full-fledged iron ready to smooth out those creases. With 6 adjustable temperature settings, it can handle everything from silk to denim, and don't worry about voltage differences around the world. Color Perfect is prepared with international power support. Even if you're always on the go, you have to look great and tidy. That's where having a compact face shaver is a must. This one's equipped with a dual-action, skin-safe blade head that includes a long hair leveler and a foil shaver blade. With it, you can achieve a fresher look without the 3-day stubble on your face. Do you have a long beard? The built-in battery's big enough to operate for up to 60 minutes on one full charge, ensuring you have ample time for shaving. Finally, clean the shaver under tap water when you're done. Facing hairstyling challenges? Fear not, the world-famous rapper Nas has the solution. A minimalist trimmer with a powerful motor. It's adjustable, featuring an antimicrobial coating to repel oil and dirt. Can your trimmer do that? It also offers a comfortable grip with polygonal edges and a non-slip handle for the perfect angle. This rechargeable trimmer runs for up to 8 hours on one charge and is a breeze to clean. If you prefer something compact and travel-friendly, consider a razor that fits in the palm of your hand. Its sleek, mecha-inspired design captivates at first glance, and it includes an integrated mirror for on-the-go grooming ease. With dual polymer batteries, it offers 4 months of use on a single 1-hour charge, putting it into constant recharging. What's more, self-sharpening blade technology and floating heads ensure a great result without skin irritation. Cleaning's easy, and the LED display indicates the remaining power. Are you the type of person who keeps their cards under the phone case? Stop doing that. I found a great solution for you. This wallet's easy to attach and detach from the phone case. The silicone card holder securely accommodates 2 cards, so there's no chance they'll fall off. When you don't need the wallet, use the band as an additional grip. If you prefer not to use a bulky case but love to watch or record videos on your phone or engage in extended calls, this tripod offers the perfect solution. Its straightforward design allows you to attach it to the back of your phone whenever necessary and easily open it with a single motion. Afterwards, simply adjust it to the desired mode and angle, even if it requires tilting the phone forward. Planning to shoot a vlog? This tripod can also function as a selfie stick. What's more, it doesn't obstruct the phone's port, allowing you to charge it while having a video call. It's time to replace your bulky leather wallet with something more stylish and compact. Now this guy right here features a super sleek high-grade titanium body. There are 6 O-rings that hold the titanium plates together really firm. The wallet is low profile but quite spacious at the same time. It actually holds up to 20 cards and keeps them easily accessible. Just push them up and squeeze the bottom so the cards fan out a bit. And in addition, there's a built-in money clip for your cash. It allows carrying over 20 bills, holding them really tight so you won't lose anything. You might go with the classic matte model, but this colorful flame-treated version is probably more eye-catching. This ultra-slim gadget is your secret weapon against wallet woes thanks to its Apple Find My Worldwide tracking feature. Aircard slides effortlessly into your wallet or card holder, blocks those pesky RFID thieves, and boasts an impressive 2.5-year battery life. You want to share your contact? There's a built-in NFC digital business card and a handy QR code. When you misplace your wallet, the Aircard comes to the rescue with its powerful 105 decibel speaker. Plus, it's got your back with handy notifications if you accidentally leave it behind. What can you keep in your wallet? Minimal Wallet 3.0 fits more than your cards and cash. There are 3 models depending on your needs. For example, the Pro option can hold cards, bills, your keys, AirTag, bike keys, some meds, and even a 20-in-1 multi-tool for quick fixes on the go. And it'll still be 50% smaller than your keychain or the card holder that snaps to your phone's back. This orange-sized and shaped beauty packs a world of music into your palm. With 8 responsive slices, you can create melodies, beats, and more by tapping, tilting, and pressing. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a complete novice, this gadget offers an engaging experience. Its built-in speakers deliver sound, while a headphone jack lets you dive into your music privately. And great features like sampling, extended loop times, and a quantizer feature make it ideal for both casual play and creative experimentation. Hey golf lovers, have you ever had a chance to brush the grass? Well, from now on, you'll have to do that to practice your golf skills. When you brush the mat along the arrows of this mini golf set, the ball moves faster. When you do the opposite thing, the ball moves slower. But now you see the ball's track. Are you a newbie? Okay, use the reflective surface to ensure proper setup. Is it time to level up the difficulty? Add a couple of foam blocks to create so-called slopes. Brought the technique to perfection? Use another golf set. The mat here gives you that lifelike feel of grass for a realistic playing experience. Thanks to the special design, the balls return to the starting point on their own. When folded, both sets are very compact and don't take much space. And they're made of sturdy material, so they'll serve you for ages. The most efficient way to protect your home is often the simplest. All you need to do is select the appropriate bar size based on your door width, ensure the door opens inward, and complete a quick installation. The bar is constructed from aluminum, while the hinge locks and screws are crafted from stainless steel, making all components robust and durable for life. Moreover, this product is backed by a lifetime warranty, providing added confidence in its effectiveness. Time to occupy your hands a bit. This fidget toy incorporates both magnetic and mechanical elements. By substituting springs and beads, entirely distinct tactile feedback can be attained, so push the upper part to fold the toy entirely, or merely press a couple of segments to make it bounce again. A tiny infinite abyss in your pocket. These spinning coins combine a metal body and tungsten carbide tip to create that mesmerizing effect. You can spin them by hand or use the custom spinning launcher that may also double as a stand. Once this thing is launched, it'll keep spinning for the next 25 minutes. The hypnotic optical illusion will look slightly different depending on the speed.